PM Internship Scheme, all you need to know. The PM Internship Scheme aims to provide internship opportunities to 1 crore youth in the top 500 companies. The Prime Minister's Internship Scheme, announced by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman during her budget speech on July 23, was launched on October 3. The PM Internship Scheme aims to provide internship opportunities to 1 crore youth in the top 500 companies over the next 5 years. Companies will upload their internship positions, and candidates can submit applications starting October 12. What is the Prime Minister's Internship Scheme? The PM Internship Scheme will enhance youth employability in India by offering them hands-on exposure to real-world business environments. The scheme represents a transformative opportunity to bridge the skills gap and drive sustainable growth in India. A monthly stipend of 4,500 rupees will be provided to the interns from the central government via DBT, direct benefit transfer, with an additional 500 rupees offset provided by the company's CSR fund. Who is eligible for the PM Internship Scheme? Candidates aged between 21 and 24 years who are not engaged in full-time employment are eligible for the 1-year internship program. Internships are available to those who have passed Class 10 or higher. Individuals from families with government jobs are excluded. The scheme is not open to postgraduates. A candidate who graduated from premier institutes such as EAT, IIM, or EAS, and those who have CA or CMA qualification would not be eligible to apply for this internship. Anyone from a household that includes a person who earned an income of 8 lakh rupees or more in 2023-24 will not be eligible. How to apply for the PM Internship Scheme? Interns can register in the portal and apply for internships. The portal, pminternship.mca.gov.in, is likely to be opened up for youngsters to enroll for consideration by companies on Vijayadashmi, October 12. This window will be open till October 25 for the first batch of internships. Candidates must share and self-certify some data about their educational qualifications and residential PIN codes. Candidates' data will be matched with companies' needs and locations using artificial intelligence tools, and a shortlist of candidates will then be generated for companies to consider. The portal is designed to streamline the application process and make candidate selection more transparent. Applicants can check the status of their applications in the portal once they have applied to the available posts. What is the benefit of the scheme? The scheme is to provide on-job training to youth and an exposure to real-life work environment. The scheme will also benefit the industry by creating a pipeline of skilled, work-ready youth who can be employed post-internship both in large as well as micro, small and medium enterprise. For more information, please contact toll-free number 1-800-11-6090 or email pminternship@mca.gov.in.